What's up, business owners? I'm Keegan and I'm the content boss at First Call Digital Agency. Today, we're going to be talking about how to bring your video quality from this to this with less than $50. Before we get started though, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button down below just so you can get notified about all the great content that we're creating just for you and your business. Now, let's get to the good stuff. I'm sure right away you've noticed some immediate changes from that first video to that second video. And no, one of the changes was not a change in the camera. Both of these videos were filmed with my cell phone camera. A lot of business owners think that they aren't able to create good content because they don't have these fancy cameras, they don't have the setup. I'm sitting in my office right now and I have only changed 3 simple things from that first video to that second video. The first thing on our list, and it's going to be the most simple one, is a phone stand. Being able to have my hands to talk is very important to me, and maybe it's not as important to you, so this one doesn't have to be on your list, but to me, I want to act like I'm speaking to you. And for me, this is how I speak in real life. Plus, being able to demonstrate a product that you have or do something else is a huge benefit to the video to make it feel more personable with your viewer or your client. Phone stands don't have to be expensive. I have one that clips to my desk. You can get one that's just a simple little stand. However, find the one that works for you and within your budget. The next big must, in my opinion, is a ring light. Now I know we're not content creators on TikTok. You're not gonna film a dance because I think that's what ring lights mostly get the association with. However, ring lights just bring a lot more focus to your face into what you're saying. Now, you're gonna walk into Best Buy or Target or Walmart and you're gonna see this $100 ring light. You don't need that. The one I'm currently using right now is a $20 ring light off of Amazon. It has some great functions, like it has a built-in phone stand. I just personally prefer the one that I'm currently using. It has a button to automatically start videos for you, and it has color settings. The only things you need to make sure when you're looking for a ring light is that it has a stand that can stand tall enough for you to be able to stand and talk if you would like, and 2, that it has that range of colors so you can find which one best matches your skin tone, or if someone else uses it, you can adjust it how it needs to be adjusted. Now keep in mind, color settings are very important as well on a ring light. You want to make sure that it has the color settings on there. You want it to go from cool to warm. This is because every person's skin tone is different and their undercolors are different. You want to be able to play with the color just a little bit just to make sure what you're choosing fits your face. The last thing, and this one's just a cherry on top for me, you have to have backlighting. I'm sure you guys noticed my cute little dice cube right away, but if you notice the blue in the background as well. Backlighting just gives a nice depth to the video so you can be the main center point, the main focus of it. Find a backlight that works the best for you, or just buy some simple floodlights off of Amazon. These ones that I have back here are $20 floodlights off of Amazon, and you get 2 of them with it. You don't have to use blue. You can use any color that you want. You can make it your company colors if you'd like. In fact, that would probably add to the value of your video as well. I know this was a super short video, but I hope that it was helpful. I hope this showed you that you don't need a fancy camera to create good quality content. There's just a couple things here and there we can do to tweak. Also, remember, the real quality of your content comes from what you're saying. So even if you don't have the means right now, in order to get these things, make sure you're talking about good quality content and people will listen. I have linked the items that I am currently using down below, so make sure you go and check those out. But remember, please buy what works best for you. We are going to be coming out with more content for business owners, so make sure you hit that like and subscribe button so you get notified of when those are coming out. If you have any questions about this video, or if there's a subject that you haven't seen an answer on yet that you'd like us to create a video for, please leave a comment down below and we'll put it on our list of stuff to do, or we'll answer the questions that you do have. I'm excited to see what you guys end up creating, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.